So in our last kind of vision ministry philosophy video, we talked about the difference between the church, God's people, and the church, the institution. That's the first of our three kind of things to understand if we're going to understand the St. Andrew mission ministry philosophy. So let's dig in a little bit. If there's a difference between God's people, the church, and the institutional church, what's the role, what's the responsibility of each of those two groups? So for our second installment here, let's dig in a little bit about what it means to be the church, big capital C, church. Well, simply this, it means to be God's people. It means to come face to face with the fact that in our baptism, God claimed us and put His name on us. It means that God has a purpose for us and desires for us to live according to His will. We summarize that at St. Andrew by living out our identity in Jesus and growing in our love of God, our love of others, and what it means to make disciples. In other words, to LGLOMD, to love God, love others, and make disciples. To grow in what it means to love God, to spend time in worship and appreciation of His Word, and in prayer, and wrestling hard topics of submission and obedience. It means to grow in our love of others by taking this love of God and demonstrating it tangibly to the world around us, loving others in the name of Jesus. And it manifests itself in the life of Jesus followers by making disciples. Not just going about our life and doing our own thing, but realizing that God has commissioned His church to go to all of the world, to all of the people around us, and to expose them to the hope that we have in Jesus and to replicate faith into the lives of others. So what's the role of God's people, the church? It's to realize that we're the church. We're the people God has set aside for His purposes. Wherever we are, whatever we're doing, and whoever we're with, it's all about Jesus. So whether you're at work or whether you're at home or whether you're on the soccer field, it's all about Jesus. It's all an opportunity to demonstrate our identity in Him by growing in our love of God, growing in our love of others, and growing in our willingness to make disciples. That's the second of our big three understandings of our ministry philosophy: church and church, and then love God, love others, make disciples, and the responsibility that each of us have for carrying that out.